We were commissioned to design 19 golf villas on the west coast of the Peloponnese at Costa Navarino, summer homes for various families. So we created a house that creates a platform in a garden, and then we create a sort of sandwich situation with a heavy green roof protecting yourself from the strong Greek sun, where the family life, some retrieving into the sort of private zones, or some sharing with friends, to open zones towards the garden, towards the outside, towards the pool, towards the view, and connecting really the inside with the outside, blurring very much the boundaries where the house really starts and where it ends.
The arrival to the houses is celebrated with a courtyard that has multiple functions. It is open for different interpretations, a space for outdoor play, for outdoor dining. Below the horizon of the roof, these framed outdoor spaces reassure to the residents corners for isolating themselves, corners for smaller gatherings, spaces of retrieve, but also of togetherness. To the degree that it was possible, windows are retractable. They sort of disappear, allowing sort of seamless continuity between the inside and the outside.
To add to this feeling of inside-outside and the transition of the common areas, the living area, the dining area, the kitchen, the surface of the flooring, the terrazzo floor continues from the inside to the outside exactly in the same fashion. So retracting those large windows, you can't really understand anymore if you're in the house or outside the house. This is exactly the sense we want to give of a sort of relaxed living, an understanding of that you actually live in a garden rather than in a very heavily confined home or house.